Hi, and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about configuring a Cisco 2960 switch. This should be a short, fast video. A couple of my other ones that I've recently done are a little bit longer, such as the configuring RIP, and then I did a video on CDP. I think those were quite a bit longer. The programs I'm going to be using today are free screen to video recorder offered by Coyote Soft. Coyote spelled with a K. So it's coyotesoft.com. They actually have a video converter that'll convert AVIs over to MP4s. And the other program I'm going to be using today is a Cisco Packet Tracer offered by the Cisco Net Academy website. If you don't have this and you do have access to the Cisco Net Academy, I highly suggest getting this program. It allows you to basically set up a virtual or fake network environment without having to purchase the routers or switches or end user servers or anything like that, which can be very, very expensive. Um, to get started, I have Cisco Packet Tracer open right here, and I got a couple switches, some routers, some servers, and an ISP PC as well as a customer PC. The first thing to keep in mind on this particular activity is all the interfaces are already configured. There is a video that I made in which I configured different interface options. So the first thing we're going to want to do is connect our switch over to the router, and that's going to be on the Fast Ethernet 01 interface. And as you can see here, this orange dot should light up green here in just a minute. The second thing we're going to do is we want to select the appropriate media to connect the PC to the switch. So that's going to be our straight through cable, and that's going to be on the 02 interface. And then we'll want to connect the server over to the switch, and the server is going to use the 03 interface. Whoops. And we're going to want to use a straight through for that as well. And now what we can do is verify that everything's connecting by entering the customer PC. We'll go to the desktop tab and open up a terminal. And then enter our password. And we can actually show running config. I might be in the wrong mode here. Let's try this mode right here. And if we do this, we should get, it should show us the IP addresses of our VLANs, which is the virtual local area network. Right here, the default gateway. It's also got some other things on what the password is going to be to access the VTY consoles and the VLAN consoles and stuff like that. And then if we issue a ping command to the IP address of our network, which is 192.168.1.1, success rate of 80%. So there was one packet that didn't quite reach the destination in time. And that's really the basic setup of configuring a switch. It's almost, if not exactly, the same as configuring a router, which I've talked about in some of my previous videos as well. If I did something wrong, if you guys catch something, go ahead and leave me a comment. I'm open to ideas and suggestions, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.